What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like I owe a lot of my viewers an explanation on why I haven't been making videos, why I'm in South Carolina, why I am no longer at Ellis Nasty, and just a couple other things. So we're gonna start from the top. Back in February, found out my wife was having an affair with one of her coworkers. Caused me to do some things that to this day I still regret. And if you heard the rumors of me going to jail true, I went to jail. I didn't harm anybody. I didn't do anything. Um, didn't do anything to her or to him, but I did go to jail. With that, I got out of jail, and for like 3 weeks after that, I had to figure out what I was going to do with my life as far as business, my family, well, my kids, I should say, because, well, my kids would be my family. As far as business, my kids, and where I was going to stay, because I couldn't go back to my house. I talked to Christian on the phone, and he was like, "Hey man, I think it would probably be a good idea." Well, we had been talking already for a long time about me and him teaming up, but I just didn't know how to go about it, because since my ex-wife since my wife at the time, we had already just bought the house. I was like, well, it would be impossible for me to drive an hour and a half to South Carolina and work, and then drive an hour and a half back to come home. So we had already talked about like that. Me and him like merging businesses throughout the year, as y'all always see on camera. Like we collab all the time on stuff, whether it's me doing fabrication for him or him like helping me out with tuning, or we go to the track. Me and him have been friends for about 10, 11 years now, give or take. It's been about 10 years. It's been about 10 years that we've been friends. So, his dad had passed away. He left him a couple properties, and he told me, yo, I got a place for you to stay, which I'm staying in now. And, we would basically, merge our shops together, and I would fabricate for him and XYZ, and, whatever I would need him for, I could use him for. Whatever he would need me for, he would use me for. So we came up with that idea, and with all the events that played, I guess it was a perfect storm for it to come together. So this is why I'm here. I left Alice Nasty because I could no longer stay in North Carolina anymore. Apart from my kids, there was really nothing there for me to stay there. When I first started my business, I had thought that, if I kept moving or if I moved around, that my business wouldn't follow me. So I pretty much stayed placed for about 6 or 7 years. And, but 95% of my business were customers that were coming from like 2.5 hours away or more. I mean, I have customers from Colorado, I have customers from Florida, I had customers from Texas, Maryland, all over the United States. So after I seen how, my business could expand statewide, or countrywide, I should say, me moving again wasn't going to be an issue. This table is. The reason why I haven't been making videos is I was depressed for a long time. That's why my videos were sporadic. I didn't know what direction I wanted to go with everything that I was doing. I'm still in the air about what direction I want to go with as far as the channel and as far as my business. In light of recent events, I just realized that can't make anybody fucking happy when you work on these cars. Whether it's a timeline or, there's parts delays, or whether there's like things going on in my own personal life. Like I can't take care of anything like that. I have to take care of everybody else first. And then I have to put myself last. And the times that I do put myself first, when I really feel like I need to, it's like I'm shunned upon, or like nobody really cares. They just want their shit done. Like, and I would say 70% of me wants to just like close shop, and I wouldn't even really do YouTube full time because it really doesn't pay my bills at all. I make like $20 a video, if that. Um, just pursue like a different career path, and then there's like 30% that makes what I do worth it. And uh, sometimes like on these jobs, like I'm upside down, I'm coming out of my own pocket just to make the customer happy, and it just seems like it's not enough. Like, so with that being said, it's just, I don't know, maybe it'll pass soon. The last 2 or 3 months, there have been more ups than there are downs. So I'm just gonna give it like another 6 months, maybe to the end. I give it to the end of this year, and then I'll figure out whether or not I want to keep doing this whole like business thing, or and then I'll figure out where I want to venture to if I see it coming to an end. But I mean, I guess while I'm still doing it, I'm gonna try to put out more videos. I would say, maybe one a week. I'm gonna do one a week because was gonna try to do like the one a day thing or the one every other day, but I'm just gonna try to do one a week. So one a week would be just, it'd be random clips here and there between Monday and Friday of just stuff that's going on in the shop, and then on Wednesdays, since I'm closer to the track now than I was ever before. Well, actually, no, I was always close to a track, but there's always a steady schedule going on at Darlington. I'm going to try to go to Darlington on Wednesdays for Test and Tune and just film cars going down the track, talking shit to people, and, whatever else I can get on video. So it'll probably be, if I can squeeze 2 in a week, I will. If not, then it'll just be one video of the shop. And if I don't make it to the track, then I don't make it to the track. I want to give y'all better content quality. I would say I feel like my stuff has been like mediocre in the past and has been slowly just like going downhill. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. I just need to find some sort of consistency whenever I make videos, because it's also hard for me to be by myself when in a sense, like I work with Christian and his brothers there sometimes, and it's just like sometimes hard to find the consistency to film videos and get stuff done on customers' cars. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or 5 cars that I can make videos on. So I'm gonna try to film. I have a video plan to put out after this one, and then maybe another one after I get this one done. Most of my videos are gonna be talking for the most part. It's not gonna be a bunch of racing and action for, like, I would say from now till maybe the end of the summer, unless like I put another car together and I'm able to race it. But financially, I can't afford to race right now. But we can see what we can make shake. If somebody lets me drive their car, obviously I'll film it and I'll film a video of their car too. But other than that, my own personal car, I have one car that's gonna be my own personal car, but I don't have everything to put it together yet, and since I drive the car every now and then, as of right now, since I drive every now and then, it was my daily driver, but since I don't drive it as much as I used to now, I kind of want to keep it running just as a backup because I like to have 2 cars. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's pretty much it. Like I said before, I apologize about not being, consistent with videos. Life takes over. Things happened, and I really like doing YouTube stuff. I like reading the comments. I like talking shit with my friends on camera. I like going to the track. I love racing. I love the banter. I love like adding different characters to the channel. So like I want to bring that atmosphere back that I had a year and a half ago back to the channel where it was just pure fun and everything was fun. Even though it was just fun on camera, you know, there's other things in the background that people don't see that they don't take into consideration. But for the most part, like, I just want to make the videos fun again because I want to have fun again. That's all I'm about, is having fun. I don't want everything that I do to be serious. And, you know, I want people to be able to come to me and ask me for advice. I even took a break from social media for a while. Like, I barely post anything on there anymore. I think my last post was before the one I made of G-Roy, if you follow me on Instagram, was like January. But as far as anything car related before January, it was really nothing. So I want to start posting on Facebook again. I want to start posting on Instagram again. I'm going to start posting on YouTube again. I'm going to start making videos again. And like I said, I'm going to try to make the videos just like, it'll be a week, you know, and I'm just going to label them, you know, same thing, like Shop Shenanigans episode 1. That's probably what I'll call it. And then it'll be like different build series of some of my customers and friends' cars. So, as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, stay tuned, and watch out for the uploads.